Ayy, new gun, I can't wait till bitches, I'm gon' wait for you. Hit him in his brain, now his shit look like ayy, exotic hoes. Ayy, ayy, exotic hoes. Ayy, ayy, that bitch in my room, there's some things I can't wait to do. Liquor and exotic hoes, exotic hoes. Ayy, exotic hoes. Got my cash. Tell them fuck niggas cash. Too bad they can't catch us. He alone, he need that. Chopper back, he don't fuck. She got his back to the wall. I just saw you kissing that bitch. She had to talk on my balls. I was in the Xanax and Percocet. She love Adderall. She was knocking on my nerves. Told that bitch to knock it off. Ayy, exotic hoes. Ayy, ayy, exotic hoes. Ayy, ayy, that bitch in my room. There's some things I can't wait to do. Liquor and exotic hoes, exotic hoes. Ayy, exotic hoes. Crossing my streets both ways. You a broke nigga and I'm too paid. Falling like a toupee. Can't push, start shit, Luke. Baby, I'm too hard, I ain't wanna fuck no way. Bitch, you got some nerve, claiming that you know me. Nigga, you got some nerve, claiming that I owe you. You ain't know the secret to the drug till I showed you. Ayy, exotic hoes. Ayy, ayy, exotic hoes. Ayy, ayy, that bitch in my room, there's some things I can't wait to do. Liquor and exotic hoes, exotic hoes. Ayy, exotic hoes. I ain't gon' lie, fuck me for this Dolce. You could do me for the D or next Thursday. Suck me at the front door, that's foreplay. Left my condoms at the crib, but what am I to run for? I don't even run from niggas, that's what I got a gun for. Too many fuck niggas in the world, that's what I killed your son for. Try to intercept my money, dummy, then you done for. All I care about is money, honey, I don't love for it. Hey, exotic hoes. Ayy, ayy, exotic hoes. Ayy, ayy, that bitch in my room, there's some things I can't wait to do. Liquor and exotic hoes, exotic hoes. Ayy, exotic hoes. Ayy, new gun, I can't wait till bitches, I'm gon' wait for you. Hit him in his brain, now his shit look like